Molly to James, that's a fine motorbike. Well, a girl could feel special on any such life. Said James to Red Molly, my hat's off to you. It's a Vincent Black Lightning 1952. And I've seen you at the corners and cafes, it seems. Red hair and black leather, my favorite color scheme. And he pulled her on behind, and down to Box Hill they did ride. Said James to Red Molly, there's a ring for your right hand. But I'll tell you in earnest, I'm a dangerous man. Well, I fought with a law since I was 17. I robbed many a man to get my Vincent machine. Now I'm 21 years, I might make 22. I don't mind dying, but for the love of you. And if fate should break my stride, then I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Come down, Red Molly, called Sergeant McRae. For they've taken young James 80 for armed robbery. Shotgun blast in his chest, left nothing inside. Oh, come down, Red Molly, to his dying bedside. When she came to the hospital, there wasn't much left. He was running out of road, he was running out of breath. But he smiled to see her cry, and said, I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Says James, in my opinion, there's nothing in this world beats a 52 Vincent and a red-headed girl. Now Northerns and Indians and Greaves won't do. Well, he don't have a soul like the Vincent 52. Well, he reached for a hand and he slipped her the keys. He said, I got no further use for these. I see angels on aerials in leather and chrome, swooping down from heaven to carry me home. And he gave her one last kiss and died. And he gave her his Vincent to ride.